Good morning, guys. In front of me is OSCAL Tiger 12, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. At first, enroll list of all apps, then click on Settings. Find and select Wallpaper and Personalization, and here click on Wallpaper. Here. Now you can either choose one from your local pictures, you can pick one from default ones, or tap on View More Wallpapers. If only you've got the network connection, it will be all displayed here. You'll be able to download some wallpaper. Let me choose, for example, this one. Then click on Apply, and finally decide if it's for your lock screen only or both home and lock screen. Wait a couple of seconds, and that's it. That will be all. As you can see from now on, brand new wallpapers covering both home and lock screen. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.